Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Wednesday the 26th of March. The final chart I'm going to look at today is gold. And there's actually been a bit of support formed in the last day or so on gold, following on from that significant decline that we saw in the last 10 days. Which has now broken, as I said yesterday, that has now broken this key uptrend that had been in place since December. And you'd still argue that these momentum indicators remain in correction mode. Certainly the RSI's corrective, MACD lines are declining, and the stochastics also remain in fairly negative configuration below this below the 20 line. So the outlook remains fairly corrective on gold intraday. I would say that you're actually finding, as I said, finding a bit of support. You've actually now also broken this intraday downtrend that we'd been in, which is interesting. However, I think the key move was that break below 1320, 1319.61 was the key support within the uptrend, but that broke, and I think that this is suggesting that the correction remains in place. The momentum indicators remain in bearish configuration. The RSI, for example, is still tending to come towards oversold and falling away around that 60 mark. MACD lines have just unwound to unwound this bearish configuration to neutral, and look like they could be falling over, certainly with the histogram also in a slight decline there, and the stochastics also are turning over once more as well. So you could argue that certainly that resistance around 1320 is the sort of selling area now intraday. On this gold chart, I still think we're going to see pressure back towards 1300, although we have had support form around 1305. 1305.59 was the key low on yesterday, actually, before we saw a little bit of a consolidation overnight. But certainly I think at the moment we're still in correction mode in this chart. The the moving averages continue to fall away, and I think that suggests that we're going to see further downside pressure on this chart, and that rallies should be seen as a chance to sell. So an outlook towards that 1300 ultimately, I think, would be seen as a buying opportunity in the medium to longer term, but I think near term, I think that's what we're going to see, a move back towards 1300. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I will speak to you tomorrow. Thank you.